We're gonna go way back in the back over there to see what we can find. Hopefully we don't get stranded. Today we're fishing on the Hobie Pro Angler 360. There he goes. And man, there was a massive fish. So I'm going to go back in here and see if I can catch a fish back in this culvert, because right there is a swell. And I came back in here a little earlier, and man, there was a massive fish. Probably a redfish. But man, he bulled his way right back out of this canal right here, as you can see right here on this other camera. So I'm going to try to go back through here again, because I went around, all the way around, to see if maybe I can catch this guy going back in here. Hopefully we get some action. So what I'm going to do is get a little pedaling in, try to get my speed up just so I can drift a little bit, get the steering just right. Little boil right there. There was a fish somewhere right here. He wasn't the big boy I was looking at. Gonna see if maybe I saw him right over where I just cast. Man, that would make my day. So welcome back to Dragon Tails Fishing. Yesterday I went fishing back in my favorite little spot back there on the flats. I went to High Bridge down in Ormond Beach, off the High Bridge Bridge, back in what a lot of people know in Ormond Beach in Flagler County as the Toilet Bowl. This day I decided I'm just going to try to go out on the water and just enjoy the day and do a little bit of exploring. I was told by the bait guy, the guy that owns Salty Dogs, that the redfish were running in schools way back in the flats. So I said, man, I haven't been way back there, so let me check that out. So I went back there. They were everywhere. Check this out. What have I got here? What is all of this? If those are mullet, those are big A mullets. Dude, looks like I'm in a whole area where nothing but redfish are just churning up the water. Maybe I'm wrong. Anybody know what these are? I can't get them to bite nothing, that's for sure. We're probably in about half a foot of water, and they're everywhere. Every once in a while I catch a glimpse of like one of them running. I just don't know what it is. What could they be? I mean, I put it right in front of them. Nothing. Look at that. So the day wasn't a total bust. What was really cool is I got a little adventure out. My dog got out. I got out on the water. I had been working long hours with the sheriff's department here. And what was really cool is I came across this island. It was full of just big, giant trees that there was probably 50 to 75 pelican on it. So yeah, check it out, bro. So these pelicans were just chilling. Dude, if you look on the all the leaves on the island, they were just covered in pelican crap, which reminds me of a joke. Why did the pelican not crap on the kayaker? Wait for it. Because he pelican. So check this out.
Let's hope I don't get crapped on by a pelican. Jesus. They're looking everywhere. I ain't trying to get shat on, dude. Look. That ain't good. Guys, this is why you gotta clean up your mess. This poor bird died. You can see the fishing line stuck to his leg, man. Poor fella. Boy, these pelicans love these trees, don't they? What's up, pelicans? What's up, little fella? What's up, dude?
So guys, wasn't that cool? Yeah, it's another day. I have actually videotaped this over a couple days. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's going to be more to come. Let me know down below if you have any comments or anything like that. I'll definitely like to have some comments and engage you guys and answer any questions that you may have, or even have a discussion with you guys about whatever I do out here. So once again, thank you for you guys that have subscribed to my channel, Dragon Tales Fishing. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe now, guys, because I definitely will be continually doing my videos. Trying to get to that 500 mark. I think I just reached 181 by the time I did this video. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys again, and see you on the next video.